New Zealand is quite uniquely placed to try and understand something about how the global climate is going to influence species not just in our own backyard but also around the world. When I was 5 years old, as a family we travelled to Hawaii, and I told my mum I wanted to study fish after going snorkelling, and that never wore off. Most of the research that I do tends to focus on how organisms interact with their environment. So how is it that we get this whole collection of biodiversity in these marine environments around New Zealand? What makes them unique? What makes them tick? We started to build a research program which is looking at our reefs locally around New Zealand, but also to far northern New Zealand, so Rangitāhua, the Kermadec region, halfway between New Zealand and Tonga. A phenomena that we've been seeing around the world is coral bleaching. So reefs around the world are being challenged by increasing ocean temperatures, and that upsets the balance. And we don't know whether it happens at Rangitāhua. We don't know whether it happens in New Zealand. We haven't been there at the right time to study it. The research that I've been doing at Rangitāhua fits into a sort of more global picture about how as temperatures rise and those regions at the equator become more and more hostile to species like corals, it gets too hot for them, are they likely to move out of the tropics and into more temperate regions like they have in the geological past? Or is it a case where they must adapt or die? One of the wonderful things about being an academic and being in academic research is that I am not being asked to do a particular thing. So I do the things that I'm passionate about. So that is an incredible amount of freedom. And that for a stubborn person such as me is a wonderful place to be because it allows me to really indulge in a thing that I am passionate about and try and seek answers about that.